Okay, so I want to make my works cited and I want to use a citation machine to do so. Say this is one of my sources. I know this is a pretty good source. It's Scientific American. It's a magazine. It's been around for 175 years, apparently. Um, it has the authors listed with their faces and some of their credentials. Professor of Informatics and Computer Science, that's a credential. And it's got a lot of information that's probably going to be useful for my paper. So I'm going to use a citation machine. I copy, go to my citation machine, create citation. It's a website. Then I paste that address in. And this is what pops up. Is that the right one? It is. So I can hit cite. This is all of the information that they found. Sometimes the date published will not be listed. There are ways to find it. I put a link up. So I check and make sure the author's names are in the right order, that this is not all caps. Sometimes you have to change it. You don't want all caps in it. It's got the electronically published date, and then it's also got the date of access as well as the permanent URL. If you're looking at things and there's not an author on it, it's probably not a good source of information. I see a lot of editors at Britannica cited. Those are not authors. So that's a tertiary source. That's for superficial reading. Don't cite it and use it. That is just for you to gain a little bit more knowledge about a topic. So I hit complete citation. I'm in MLA 8. You can change your style here, but y'all won't need to do that. Okay, so this looks good. I'm going to copy citation. Then I'm going to go back here, click, paste without formatting. Highlight it all. I know that I want it to be double spaced. And then I know here on my format, I want to have a hanging format. So I go to align and indent, indentation options, hanging. Boom. That'll be my first one. Now, just as an example, all of them should be, all of your sources and your works cited or your bibliography should be in alphabetical order, and there should be no extra spacing anywhere. Double space and 0, 0 only, okay? Also turn off prevent single lines. This is what it should look like right here. No gaps in between, none of these blue hyperlinks, okay? You're going to highlight that, remove link. No extra spaces between anything in your paper. I'll have a link to this as well as the citation machine link and the one for finding electronic publishing dates. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.